Ever wondered who actually uses GrabPay? I mean, it's there, it's an app, it promises convenience and rewards. But who's really tapping that screen, swiping to pay for their morning coffee or that late-night Grab food order? Let's dive in. GrabPay, on the surface, seems like just another digital wallet. But it's more than that. It's a lifestyle choice, a financial tool, and a gateway to a world of digital convenience. But who exactly is making that choice? First, there's the everyday commuter. Imagine rushing to work, stuck in traffic. A Grab car arrives. You tap your phone, pay instantly, no fuss, no cash. This is the core user of GrabPay. It's the person who values time over everything else. Then we have the food lovers. From the office worker craving a quick lunch to the night owl satisfying those midnight munchies, Grab food is their go-to. And with GrabPay, ordering and paying is as easy as tapping a button. It's not just about the food, it's about the entire experience, made seamless by GrabPay. Next up, the digital shopper. Online shopping has exploded, and GrabPay is their secret weapon. From fashion to electronics, everything is just a few clicks away. No more card details, no more worries. It's secure, it's fast, and it's the future of shopping. But it's not just about convenience. GrabPay has become a financial tool for many. It's where they store their money, transfer funds, and even pay bills. It's the digital equivalent of a wallet, but with superpowers. You'd be surprised to know that students are a huge chunk of the GrabPay user base. From textbooks to transport, their lives revolve around their phones, and GrabPay is an integral part of that digital ecosystem. And let's not forget the merchants. From the small corner store to the big box retailer, everyone's jumping on the digital payment bandwagon. GrabPay offers them a wider customer base, faster transactions, and less cash handling. It's a diverse crowd, isn't it? From the young and tech-savvy to the more traditional, GrabPay is bridging the gap. It's a tool for everyone, from the daily grind to the occasional splurge. So, who uses GrabPay? The answer is simple: almost everyone. It's the commuter, the foodie, the shopper, the student, the merchant. It's the person who wants life to be easier, faster, and more convenient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.